Hey guys, I've come to a very beautiful location. Why don't you take a look at it? Aren't you guys done hearing or saying the word beautiful? എന്ത് പറയുമ്പോഴും beautiful location, beautiful view, beautiful house. I sure am. This is Malavika John from English House, and today I've picked 5 words for you which could be used as a replacement for beautiful. അത് മാത്രമല്ല പലപ്പോഴും നമ്മളൊരു സ്ഥലത്തിൻ്റെ ഭംഗിയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുമ്പോൾ beautiful എന്ന് മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞാൽ it needn't do justice. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons why we're going to take a look at some words. So as I take a look at this view, the first word that comes to my mind is breathtaking. Breathtaking. Yeah, so breathtaking in the parayumbol, it is used to express something that is surprisingly beautiful or something that's very exciting. Yeah, so I could say this is a breathtaking view. So that brings us to next word, which is alluring. Alluring. So alluring in the parayumbol, again, it is something that's very beautiful or very attractive. Yeah, something that's really attractive. So I could say, as I'm standing at the balcony, I am taking a look at an alluring sight. Or it can be used in other contexts as well, such as she was wearing the most alluring costume to the party yesterday. Yeah? So the next word that I have for you is magnificent. Magnificent. Magnificent in the parayumbolum, again, it is something used to talk about something that's worthy of admiration. Yeah, very beautiful again. So you could say, what a magnificent house, or what a magnificent garden right in front of me. Yeah, any context can be used. Now, the next word is marvelous. Marvelous. So you could say, what a marvelous sight, yeah, or what a marvelous house does she have, or just about anything, what a marvelous view from on top of the mountains. So that brings us to our last word, which is picturesque. Picturesque. Picturesque in the parayumbolum, it is to talk about something that's really good, especially in an old-fashioned manner. So ആ ഒരു രീതിയിൽ പറയുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിലേക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് വരുന്ന സ്ഥലം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മട്ടാഞ്ചേരിയിലെ ജൂ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ആണ്. So I could say the ancient Jew street in Mattancherry is picturesque. Yeah, it's a picturesque sight to behold. So that's it. You have 5 new words added to your list. See you guys. Bye.
English House. English at your fingertips.